Ever wonder how a bunch of nerds with laptops became the new oil tycoons? Yeah, the new Rockefellers don't own oil fields. They own your data. Every search you make, every photo you upload, every I agree, you tap without reading. Congratulations, you just pumped a few digital barrels of oil into someone else's fortune. Welcome, my friend, to the new energy economy, the data economy. And today I'm going to show you exactly how the world's richest people, the AI billionaires, quietly built empires out of your clicks, your habits, your memories, and even your face. So if you've ever wondered how Elon, Zuck, or Sam Altman became the new sheiks of silicon, buckle up. Because by the end of this video, you'll understand exactly how data became the new oil and how you can start drilling your own well before it's too late. Before we dive in, hit that subscribe button. Because if you love understanding the game of money, power, and AI, this channel is your map to the gold mine. All right, let's fire up those data rigs. Number 1. The Great Shift, from oil barons to algorithm kings. Let's rewind 100 years. The richest people on Earth had one thing in common: oil. They dug it, refined it, and sold it to fuel cars, planes, and cities. Fast forward to now, oil still matters, sure. But the most valuable resource? Information. Data powers AI, algorithms, decisions, and entire economies. Think about it. Who's richer today? ExxonMobil or Google? Who controls more minds? Saudi Aramco or TikTok? Exactly. We stopped digging into the ground. We started digging into people. Every swipe, every stream, every like, that's modern-day drilling. Only this time, the rigs are invisible. The pipelines? They're Wi-Fi and 5G. And the refineries? Giant data centers humming with algorithms that know you better than you know yourself. Crazy part? You didn't even know you were working for them. Number 2. The rise of the AI billionaires. Let's talk about the new kings, the AI billionaires. Sam Altman, Elon Musk, Jensen Huang, Demis Hassabis, Sundar Pichai. These guys didn't find oil, they created it. They realized early that whoever controls data controls intelligence. And whoever controls intelligence controls everything. It's not about being smart anymore. It's about owning the smart. AI models like ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude. They run on trillions of data points scraped from the internet. Books, tweets, Reddit rants, your LinkedIn bio from 2014. They fed it all into the machine. And guess what came out? Digital gold. AI that can think, write design, predict, and soon decide. So when you hear AI billionaire, don't imagine a programmer. Imagine a modern alchemist who turned your life data into synthetic genius and then charged you to use it back. Number 3. Data is the new oil and you're the oil field. Here's the brutal truth. You're not the customer. You're the product. When something online is free, it's not really free. You're paying with your data. Every app wants permission, camera, location, contacts, cookies. They're not being polite. They're pumping you dry. Google tracks your searches. Facebook tracks your friends. TikTok tracks your eyeballs. Amazon tracks your cravings. And ChatGPT? Yeah, it's learning how you think. The scary genius of it all? They don't sell your data directly. They sell predictions. They don't just know who you are, they know what you'll do next. That's why ads follow you across the internet like an obsessed ex. That's why your phone seems psychic. It's not magic, it's math. Number 4. The monetization machine. Let's break down how this turns into billions. Step 1. Collect data. Millions of users. Billions of actions. Every second. Step 2. Train AI models. Feed that juicy data into machine learning systems that can predict patterns and automate decisions. Step 3. Sell predictions. Advertisers, hedge funds, governments, they all pay top dollar for insight into human behavior. Step 4. Automate and scale. Once AI learns, it doesn't sleep. It works 24/7, making smarter, faster predictions every second. That's the compound interest of data. Oil runs out. Data regenerates. Every day, new memes, selfies, reviews, and conversations refill the tank. The result? Infinite profit potential. That's why AI billionaires don't chase trends. They own the pipeline. Number 5. The hidden power of algorithms. Here's where things get spicy. You think you're choosing what to watch, who to follow, what to buy. But really? You're being chosen. Algorithms are invisible puppet masters. They know what makes you angry, what keeps you scrolling, what gets you to spend. They shape culture. They decide elections. They influence your mood before you even open your phone. And while most people complain about being addicted to social media, the AI billionaires are cashing in on your dopamine dependency. They don't sell products, they sell behavior modification. And once they control behavior, money is just a side effect. Number 6. The data wars. You think wars are fought over land? Try information. The US, China, and Europe are in a silent arms race, not for missiles, but for models. AI supremacy equals economic supremacy. China has massive data from its 1.4 billion citizens. The US has the world's biggest tech giants. Europe? Stuck debating regulations. Meanwhile, countries like India and Nigeria are sitting on massive data mines, young, connected populations that generate oceans of digital behavior. That's the next gold rush. Whoever can collect, clean, and control the data will shape the global future. Forget oil fields. The new power is data sovereignty. And every nation is fighting to own its own digital destiny. Number 7. How they built the data empires. You know what's wild? AI billionaires didn't find value. They created it out of thin air. Zuckerberg didn't build Facebook because he loved friendship. He built a psychological lab where people voluntarily catalog their lives. Google didn't make a search engine for knowledge. They made a mirror for humanity and then monetized the reflection. OpenAI didn't build ChatGPT to help humanity. They built a learning machine that feeds on everything humanity has ever said online. The real genius wasn't the code, it was the collection. Every click became a coin. Every scroll became a stock. Every thought you shared became a tool to predict, influence, and sell. And that's how they built digital kingdoms, not from concrete, but from consciousness. Number 8. Turning data into power. Here's the thing. Money is just one form of power. Data is another, and it's way more scalable. With enough data, AI can predict markets before they move, detect diseases before symptoms appear, personalize ads that convert instantly, create art, music, even video scripts, high-waving and. The AI billionaires understood this early. They didn't need to control people, they just needed to control information. You don't have to conquer nations when you can control narratives. You don't have to own factories when you can automate decisions. And guess what? Every new data point you generate, from your Apple Watch to your Tesla, feeds their empire. They've turned human life itself into a renewable energy source. Number 9. The AI gold rush and how you can join it. Here's the good news. The game isn't over. Right now, there's a new kind of frontier. AI tools, automation platforms, data analytics, they're all accessible to anyone. You don't need to own servers to win. You just need to own your niche. If you can collect valuable data on customers, trends, workflows, habits, you can train your own mini AI that works for you. That's how small entrepreneurs become AI millionaires. Example: real estate agents using AI to predict buyer trends. Fitness coaches building custom AI trainers. Writers training personal GPTs to automate their brand voice. Data isn't just for corporations anymore. It's for creators. If you understand how to capture, clean, and capitalize on data, you're not just surviving the AI age, you're owning it. Number 10. The future. Data as destiny. Here's the big question. If data is the new oil, who controls the refinery, you or them? We're heading into a world where AI systems will know your dreams, your tone, your habits, even your weaknesses. They'll write your emails, choose your shows, recommend your job, maybe even pick your partner. Convenient? Absolutely. Dangerous? Also, absolutely. Because if you don't own your data, someone else owns you. So the real future of wealth isn't just about money. It's about information independence. Control your data. Leverage AI. Don't be leveraged by it. Build, create, automate. But keep the keys to your own kingdom. The AI billionaires figured that out early. Now it's your turn. So here's the takeaway. Oil built the 20th century. Data is building the 21st. And those who understand how to collect, refine, and deploy it, they're the ones who will run the future. You can either be the fuel that powers someone else's empire, or the engineer who builds your own. If you're ready to master that game, hit subscribe, because I drop deep dives like this every week to help you think sharper, move faster, and profit smarter. Remember, power in the AI age isn't about knowing everything. It's about knowing how everything knows you. Having said that, stay curious, stay dangerous, and I'll see you in the next one.